guys, Merry Christmas. I'm with Cecily.
Hi.
And we are having a huge Lebanese Christmas. My whole family is here and it's Psalm's first Christmas, so it's gonna be a good time. We have been cooking for 2 days. And yeah, she has been chefing it up and we've all just been working really hard on like all the dishes. Like Lebanese food is like a labor of love. So I thought today would be really fun to take you guys along with us for Christmas, opening gifts. We're gonna be playing games later. And yeah, so if you guys haven't seen my like what I got for Christmas, it's already uploaded, so be sure to go check that out. But let's get into it. It's gonna be such a good time and I'm so excited. All right, yeah! All of us girls are wearing matching Victoria's Secret sets. So cute. Look, we all have them on. Here are the boys. They're also wearing little matching sets. So cute. And then my dad is wearing a Grinch shirt because he is the Grinch this year. Here is Psalm. Hi, baby. He's wearing his Grinch outfit too. First Christmas. First Christmas. Merry Christmas, Psalm. Hi. Hi! Merry Christmas!
He's a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as funny as
I came from Mount Crumpet, you little who. I'm gonna destroy Christmas for you. I'm the Grinch! I'm the Grinch!
Alright, for the spread we have homemade tabbouleh, baba ganoush, and hummus. We have meat pies, which are called sfias. Oh, those are in the oven. We have baked kibbe and then homemade dolmas. And there's some lamb shanks underneath. Good job! Good job, Psalm. Good job! Do you love it, Psalm? Yay!
He loves it.
He's so cute. Oh my goodness, Psalm. So many fishies. Oh, are you happy?
Oh, so sweet. Yeah.
Oh, Psalm!
From me, I got you mixing tools.
You can whip up stuff in the kitchen.
You can help mommy bake now. Look, I got you an egg.
Ow, ow.
I got you an egg. I like eggs.
You like the egg?
I like eggs. Yay! Oh, you want some cherries?
Turkish coffee look for y'all later too.
He's so happy. You like your spoon? Oh my gosh, he knows what that is. He knows that it's a spoon. Sometimes I'll give him spoons and... Good job!
Do you love it so much?
Dolce's stealing a toy.
No, Dolce. I'm gonna get canceled for that.
Taco? Are you hungry?
Talking dude.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my gosh. I found it. Stop that. This is so amazing.
Y'all are goated.
In memory of Jude. It's literally yours.
I know.
Today very special.
Please, Dad.
You're welcome.
I love this.
We didn't see it.
I'm
So special.
Wow. That's very special. Thank you. Thank you for not making me get up.
Perfect.
Very special.
It looks perfect. Let's see it on.
Here.
Oh, it looks so good on you. I love it.
Put it in all the...
Oh my god.
I got my
So cute.
That's adorable. I love that color.
Me too.
Ooh, look at the
Oh
green.
yeah. Oh, the green.
Yeah.
looks so cute. I love these little tops.
Oh, I love this color.
Love. Thank you.
Gorgeous.
Love this color.
But I don't think you do.
This one?
I'm so excited.
Mom and Dad.
It's okay.
The ball.
Did it have one at the wall?
I got the green one.
It's the right green one. The green one I wanted.
Kelly green.
Oh my god, we're twins! Yay! Everyone loves all their little snack. I love it. Snack gifts. Love these ones. Those look so good. Stop.
Oh, you're an angel sent from above.
That's like my favorite hair stuff literally ever. Those are sick. Turn them around. Those are amazing. I love them.
The next day.
Good morning. Hi, Dulce. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You want to see all your cousins? Come on. You want to see all your cousins? Hi, Absalom. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
If I do it, I'm rib tomorrow and garlic and mashed potatoes. It's worth it. It's all worth You're making me up. Yeah, I'm gonna get you a beer.
He's so comfy.
A few hours later.
Hey guys, it is a few hours later. We are making banana pudding for our hurrah last night of celebrating Christmas vlog. This is Nay.
Oh,
This is Nay, my sister-in-law.
I'm her.
This is Psalm's mom.
I'm Psalm's mommy.
Psalm's mommy. We have a little banana pudding recipe we are going to make, so then it's ready tomorrow morning for breakfast. We can chomp and yomp it in the morning.
Since the first little girl ever existed,
Paula's gonna work everything on
there
her
have
Bella.
been dolls.
Guys, the lighting is so bright right now, but I'm headed to bed. That's it for the Christmas vlog. A lot of people are asleep in this house, so I need to be kind of quiet. I did film, edit, and post my what I got for Christmas today. So if you haven't watched that, go watch that. And then also, I have a giveaway going up tomorrow. So be sure to enter that giveaway. It's gonna be like a huge haul plus a giveaway. But I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and got to see a little bit of what my family does for the holidays. It was so much fun and I got what I could, but not everything. I also fully started my period on Christmas Day, so I have some breakouts happening. But I love you guys so much and I hope I see you guys in my future videos. I'm so excited for content. I have so much fun stuff planned, so stay tuned. But I love you guys and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.